is libido? Libido is a person's sexual drive or desire for sexual activity. It is a complex phenomenon that can be influenced by biological, psychological, and social factors. Here are some ways to boost your libido. Ways number 1: exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve blood flow, boost mood, and increase testosterone levels, all of which can help enhance your libido. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to improve overall health, including sexual health. Regular physical activity has been shown to improve blood flow throughout the body, including to the genitals, which can improve sexual function and increase libido. Exercise can also boost mood by releasing endorphins, which are natural feel-good chemicals in the brain. This can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, all of which can negatively impact libido. Furthermore, regular exercise has been shown to increase testosterone levels in both men and women. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a key role in sexual desire and function, and higher levels of testosterone have been associated with increased libido. The type and intensity of exercise can also have an impact on libido. For example, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, has been shown to increase testosterone levels more than steady-state cardio exercises like running or biking. Overall, regular exercise is a simple and effective way to improve overall health and boost libido. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, or as recommended by your healthcare provider. Ways number 2: manage stress. Stress can negatively impact libido. Consider practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation to reduce stress levels. Stress is a common cause of low libido, as it can disrupt hormonal balance and decrease sexual desire. Stress also releases cortisol, a hormone that can inhibit the production of testosterone and reduce libido. Managing stress can be an effective way to increase libido. One way to manage stress is through relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. These techniques can help to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation, which can lead to increased sexual desire and improved sexual function. Deep breathing is a simple and effective relaxation technique that involves taking slow, deep breaths and focusing on the sensations of breathing. Yoga is a physical and mental practice that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It has been shown to reduce stress and improve sexual function in both men and women. Meditation involves focusing on a single point of focus, such as the breath or a sound, and clearing the mind of other thoughts. Regular meditation practice has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and increase feelings of well-being. Other stress-reducing techniques include getting regular exercise, spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness, and spending time with loved ones. By managing stress and incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine, you can help to increase libido and improve overall sexual health. Ways number 3: get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to fatigue and low energy, which can negatively affect libido. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Getting enough sleep is essential for overall health, including sexual health. Lack of sleep can lead to fatigue and low energy, which can negatively affect libido and sexual function. During sleep, the body repairs and rejuvenates itself, including the production of hormones like testosterone that play a key role in sexual desire and function. Therefore, inadequate sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances that negatively affect libido. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help improve libido and sexual function. Establishing a consistent sleep routine can also help to promote better sleep. This includes going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bedtime, and creating a relaxing sleep environment. If you are having trouble sleeping, consider practicing relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation, which can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Additionally, talk to your healthcare provider if you are experiencing persistent sleep disturbances, as they can help to identify and treat underlying causes. Ways number 4: eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains can improve overall health and boost libido. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is important for overall health, including sexual health. A diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains can improve blood flow, increase energy levels, and provide essential nutrients that support sexual health. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that promote overall health and can improve sexual function. Some fruits and vegetables, such as avocados, bananas, and figs, are also high in nutrients that support sexual health. Lean protein, such as chicken, turkey, fish, and lean cuts of beef, provide essential amino acids that the body needs to build muscle and maintain hormonal balance. Hormones like testosterone play a key role in sexual desire and function. So getting enough protein in the diet is important for maintaining optimal hormonal balance. Whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa provide complex carbohydrates that are a good source of sustained energy. This can help to improve overall energy levels, including sexual energy. Additionally, avoiding processed foods, excess sugar, and unhealthy fats can help to promote optimal health and sexual function. These types of foods can contribute to inflammation in the body, which can negatively affect sexual health. Overall, eating a healthy, balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains can help to improve overall health and boost libido. Ways number 5. Consider supplements. Some supplements such as maca, tribulus terrestris, and horny goatweed have been suggested to help boost libido. However, it is always important to speak with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Some supplements have been suggested to help boost libido, including maca, tribulus terrestris, and horny goatweed. These supplements are often marketed as natural remedies for low libido and sexual dysfunction. Maca is a root vegetable that is commonly used as a supplement to boost energy, improve mood, and enhance sexual function. Some studies have suggested that maca may increase sexual desire in both men and women. Tribulus terrestris is an herb that is often used to boost testosterone levels and improve sexual function. Some studies have shown that tribulus terrestris may improve sexual function and increase libido in men with low testosterone levels. Horny goatweed is an herb that has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine to treat sexual dysfunction. Some studies have suggested that horny goatweed may improve sexual function and increase libido in both men and women. However, it is important to note that the efficacy and safety of these supplements for boosting libido are not well established. Additionally, these supplements can interact with other medications and may have side effects. It is always important to speak with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, including those that are marketed for sexual health. A healthcare provider can help you to determine if a supplement is appropriate for you, as well as the appropriate dose and potential side effects or interactions with other medications. Ways number 6. Communicate with your partner. Open communication with your partner about your sexual desires and needs can help improve your sexual experiences and increase libido. Open communication with your partner about your sexual desires and needs is an important aspect of a healthy sexual relationship. Communication can help to build trust and intimacy, and can lead to a more satisfying sexual experience for both partners. Talking openly and honestly about your sexual desires and needs can help your partner to understand what you enjoy and what you don't enjoy. This can help to improve sexual communication and lead to more fulfilling sexual experiences. Additionally, communication can help to address any issues that may be affecting libido, such as stress, anxiety, or relationship problems. By discussing these issues with your partner, you can work together to find solutions that can help to increase libido and improve sexual function. It's important to keep in mind that communication about sexual desires and needs should be respectful and non-judgmental. Both partners should feel comfortable expressing themselves and should be open to listening to each other. Overall, open communication with your partner is an important way to improve sexual experiences and increase libido. By communicating openly and honestly, you can build a stronger, more intimate connection with your partner and enjoy a more satisfying sexual relationship. Ways number 7. Seek professional help. If you are experiencing persistent low libido, Consider seeking the help of a healthcare provider or therapist who can help you identify and address any underlying causes. If you are experiencing persistent low libido, it may be a good idea to seek the help of a healthcare provider or therapist who can help you identify and address any underlying causes. Low libido can be caused by a variety of factors, including hormonal imbalances, medications, health conditions, relationship problems, and psychological factors such as stress or anxiety. A healthcare provider can help to identify any underlying medical conditions or medications that may be affecting libido, and can provide treatment or suggest alternatives. A therapist can also help to identify psychological factors that may be contributing to low libido, such as stress, anxiety, or relationship problems. Therapy can provide strategies to address these issues and help to improve sexual function and libido. If you are experiencing persistent low libido, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider or therapist to determine the underlying cause and find an appropriate treatment plan. This can help to improve overall sexual health and enhance quality of life. Thank you for watching. Your support and encouragement mean the world to me. I am so grateful for each and every one of you who take the time to tune in to my channel and share my content with others. Your feedback, comments, and suggestions help me to grow and improve, and I couldn't do this without you. Thank you again for your unwavering support. I am excited to continue creating content and sharing my journey with all of you. Here's to a bright future together. Maraming salamat po.